How's it going, everybody? It's Zach, and today I have gotten me a brand new toolbox. If you don't know, I work on big trucks for a living, and my old Snap-on toolbox was just getting a little crowded, so I upgraded to a brand new Mac Edge toolbox. Nice black and blue, anodized blue. I haven't done anything, no tools are in it. It's got these slam-proof drawers, 52-inch by I think it's 22 inches deep. It's a very, very nice piece of equipment here. But let's look through it. It's got a rubber mat up top. It'll stay clean for probably a week. Full-length drawer here. Pretty good size box. Well, gonna have to lube that up probably. Slam proof. Well, it works good. Here's all the parts and stuff. The handle. I'll throw that on the side. Keys. All this. And then the drawer liners and all that. So we're gonna throw these in real quick and see what it looks like. All right, we have the drawer liners. I hope they're all pre-cut. No, look, they're not. They probably are. All right, let's get busy. Putting the drawer liners in. Putting my drawer liners in.
We'll put them on the morning before you leave the house.
The drawers?
Your drawer liner, yeah.
So this is the Mac Tool Edge box. It's a very nice looking box. I like it. It's not going to stay clean for very long. Made in the United States with global materials. They had to throw that in there. It's a nice badge. That's Mac Tool, Mac Edge. That's Mac Tools logo. Pretty nice. Get that out of there. Gravity will take care of that. Fill this bad boy up with my tools tomorrow. Good to go. Don't forget to stop at S10 Life's website. We have LsBluu and Sin10 t-shirts and hoodies for sale over there. They're our first designs. They're pretty damn sick. I love them. So stop there and get you some today. It really goes a long ways with the support. But that's going to be all for this video. Make sure you click thumbs up, drop a comment, turn the notification bell on so you don't miss anything, subscribe, and we'll see you.